Hello guys, welcome to Jazz Tech Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to change the color of your picture by using the curves. Curves can be found under Layer and then New Adjustment Layer. Basically you input numbers and you come out with a cool looking color on your image. I'll be showing you exactly what curves are all about and how to use them and change the color of your picture. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open a photo. You can pick any photo you like. But mind you that every photo each photo is going to have a different aspect, different outcome. I'm using this picture of Joe Jonas, but feel free to use anyone you want. But mind you that your outcome will be different than mine. Alright? So once you have your photo open, you're going to click on Layer. And then once you get into Layer, click on New Adjustment Layer. And then you're going to click on the word where it says Curves. And then you're going to do as follows. So once you get to the screen where it says Curves, you're going to type in the numbers that I'm showing here. It's going to be, output will be 32, input 24. Now once you do that, you want to click somewhere on your curves thing and add another dot. In that will add another dot and you can add more numbers. That's the key for it. And the next dot will be 176 for the output and input is 136. Alright, and then you're going to do a third one way at the top, which is 255 on both input and output. Just click way at the top and it'll give you a third button or dot. Now you want to change your screen, you want to go to blue. We're only working with RGB and blue, nothing else. Don't mess with other colors. And so then click somewhere on the screen so you're able to type in these numbers. 110 as an output and 0 as an input. Then click again on the screen, add another dot so that you can add the next settings, which is as follows. 164 for the output and input is 172. Once you have done that, again, click at the top of the screen and add a third one with 255 being the output and input as well. Once you've got that, this is what you should see, an image similar to this. Mind you that every image is different, so yours might look a little bit different, but as long as it's along this guideline, you're good. Alright, once you have that, you are now going to go into Layer Adjustments again and select Granite Map. Granite Map, and once you have that selected, you're going to select the colors for both of them as shown. 2 brown colors, okay? The numbers will come up on here for you to choose. So select this color here for the first one, and then the last one, select that color there. You may want to pause the screen at that just so you can get a good glimpse of it. Now change the opacity to 50 on that layer, on the granite layer, and then also on the granite layer, select Overlay, and you will have this. This is what you should have after all of that. Something similar to this. Then, once you have that, click on the background layer, or layer 1, whichever you have on there, and do a Control-J, which copies the layer you are on. Then, you want to move the copy layer to the top of your screen as shown. Once you have that, you want to change that opacity to 75. And after you have it there, you're going to change that layer to Soft Light. And this is what you will get. Yours may look a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. Then you want to go into Image and click on the adjustments and click on Hue and Saturation and change the hue and saturation to the numbers as follows. Hue being -6 and the saturation to +11. And once you have that done, click OK on the screen. And you will get this type of a color to your image. Alright, and after you've done that, you just want to merge your layers together, and you are done. That is basically how you change your image color to an awesome looking color. I hope you've enjoyed this basic tutorial, and thank you all, and please subscribe.